So this is a Golf GTI stock air filter. Just installed a new CTS turbo cold air intake, and we're about to start it up and demo. Alright, let's demo. Sounds super yacht. So just installed a CTS intake. Now we're going to go test it out.